Aaron Heiser of Maker's Leather Supply, and we're going to do something different. You know, lots of folks are stuck at home, possibly been laid off from their jobs due to the quarantines and shelter in place and coronavirus and all that. So folks need something to do, and I want to help. I want to help a lot, and I don't know a way to cure the virus. I just know how to cure some boredom. So we're going to start quarantine classes live. Basically, we're going to have live classes on our Facebook and probably on our YouTube as well. And we're going to do different projects, starting with tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow, we are going to build a small card wallet with a tooling pattern by the great Don Gonzalez. This is just a standard little business card wallet. There's nothing crazy or fancy about it. Several of our projects will be smaller like this, that you won't need anything special to do them other than just some leather and your basic tools. Anyway, so tomorrow's class starts at 12 o'clock noon Central Time, and it will go until we're kind of done for the day or done with the project. Who knows which will come first.
Where did they get this pattern from?
You can find the downloadable pattern on our website, makersleathersupply.com. Go to the free patterns part of the website there, and you can download it. And it's the tooling pattern as well as the build pattern. And yeah, there will be more information posted on our Facebook about it. So hopefully we'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the 26th of March. 2020, 12 o'clock noon, so Central Standard Time. Again, I'm Aaron Heiser of Maker's Leather Supply, and we'll see you soon.